So welcome to this video series. So here we are going to discuss about multiple Java coding parts. So let us start with the first video. In this video, we are going to cover about how to find whether a number is a prime or not using Java. So now let me create a simple class file. Let me call it like find prime or not. Now let us start with the main function, public static void main. So in this main function, I'm just going to declare a integer number. Let me call it like target number equal to 23. Now we need to find whether this number is a prime or not. Let me do that concept in a separate function. So public static boolean. So this function will return true or false based on the number's value. So if the number is prime, it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. So let me call this function as check if prime, and it is going to take a integer as a parameter. Now here I'm just going to first check whether the number is less than or equal to 1. If it is less than or equal to 1, definitely it is not a prime number, so let me return it as false. Now I'm going to check whether this is a prime number or not using a simple mathematical logic. If this number is getting divisible perfectly by any number which is less than its half, then it is definitely not a prime number. So let me run a for loop where integer I equal to 2. Why I'm starting from 2 is that anything that is within 1, less than 1 or 1, it is not a prime. So I'm not considering 1 for this division operation. So I'm just starting from 2, and this must go until the half of the target number, that is number divided by 2. If I'm checking 23, I'm just going to check until only 16, and I'm going to increment by 1 by 1. Let me check whether it is getting divisible or not. So if number is perfectly getting divisible by the value of I, then it is definitely not a prime number. So let me return false. And if it is not divisible by any of the number, then obviously it is a prime. So let us return it as true. Now let us go to the main function. Now let me write a simple if loop. So within the if loop, I'm just calling if this is a prime or not. So if it is a prime, that is if it is getting a true as a return, then I will just print that target value is a prime number. So system.out.print. So my target number is a prime. And if it is returning else, then it is not a prime. Fine. So now let us verify whether it is running properly or not. Let me run the program. So 23 is a prime, obviously. So let us check for 21, which should not be a prime because it is divisible by 3, 7, 21 like that. So let me run this again, Java application. So see, it is not a prime. So using this simple concept, you can find whether a number is prime or not in Java program. So to watch more videos on Java series and other Python and C series, PHP series, please subscribe the channel so that you get your updates regularly. Thank you.